Hello everyone, it's me, Matsimus. It looks like winter has come early here in Alberta. Literally come early. I guess autumn, fall just decided to maybe just skip out and go on vacation and just dump straight to winter because the weather here is insane, and I mean that in every sense of the word, because I've never seen winter come as early and as fast as it has right now. We've had close to 20 to 30 centimeters of snow in one afternoon, which I know many of you are probably like, well, that's not much, I've seen a lot more than that. But for us here in southern Alberta, it's a lot of snow. We're getting our asses kicked. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview of exactly how much snow we're getting. So this is just my deck, okay, and the deck has been shoveled 3 times now. 3 times. This is the depth of snow that we're getting here, so a lot of snow. We're getting an absolute ton of snow, so I'm gonna have to shovel again. But just to give you kind of an overview of what we're looking at here, it's just craziness, guys, absolute craziness. I haven't seen snow this deep. I mean, look how deep it's gone down. Like, look at this, it's insane. Like, like, it's absolutely bonkers. I haven't seen snow this bad for a very, very long time. For southern Alberta anyway. So yeah, this is the reality that I live in now. Probably for the next 3 days is severe snow, and it's not even October yet. So yeah, really not looking forward to having to shovel this again. You can see the snow drift we're getting here. Right, look at this. This is insane. That's craziness. I'm actually gonna go and see if I can make it through to my backyard here, which I don't think I'm going to be able to. We'll go around the back because I've got to make sure that my heating duct still works and still sucking stuff in, because if it gets blocked I get no air in there, and then it oh god, I've smudged you. Oh my god, my tree is getting destroyed right now. Yeah, let's go take a look at the tree in my backyard. Here we go. This is the alley. That just goes to show how much snow we've had in just today. And this is supposed to continue on. This is supposed to continue on all day and all night. And right now it's 10 after 5, and it's going to keep coming. So I'm. Look at the state of this though. Like, that's gonna knock me on the head. I got a feeling. My god. I gotta look at my tree. Look at the tree. Like, Tank back in his day would be loving this right now, but unfortunately, rest his soul. So I gotta clear these trees off, because otherwise they'll snap off. This snow is so thick and wet. Oh, gross. Oh no, I've set a chain reaction off now. Ah! Like, look at the state of this, guys. This is bonkers. This is crazy. Look at the state of this. I didn't even have the chance to get all my, like, end of fall sort of autumn stuff away. Look at that. Look how freaking deep it is. This is savagery. Okay, we got to clear these trees off. These trees are not supposed to. They are not supposed to look like that. I gotta get them cleaned off. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be horrible, but I gotta do it. There we go. Oh, gross. If I don't do this, the trees will get damaged. Ugh. It's so heavy that they just. Look at the deck. Look at the deck, though. Look how deep that is. Now, I know many of you hardcore winterists are probably like, yeah, that's not much, Matt, that's nothing. For us, though, it is a lot. It's all clinging to the side of the house. See, this tree's struggling too, the branches. That's not supposed to be looking like that. Yeah, get them freed up a little bit. Try and get all this snow off. Look at the exhaust. God, it's already picking up ice. This is what I'm most concerned about, is this. Because once this blocks up, I'm in trouble. In fact, I think I can take this off. Come on, you pig. Because if this blocks, the house freezes. So I've got to make sure that this is clear. I'll try and dry you off again here, folks. Hold on. Goodness me. It's still a little foggy. There. Come on. That looks pretty good. It's not too bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna make sure that's clear, which it is. So we're good there. This is my air conditioning. Clearly did not have enough time to put it into storage. Look at the state of it. It looks like freaking Bob Ross. It's the Bob Ross of air conditioners there. It's the Bob Ross Afro cut. I'm going to leave that there because actually I think that's classic. Guys, this is it. This is insanity for us, and it's still coming. That's the worrying part. This is probably 3 feet of snow, at least 3 feet of snow at least, and it's still going. It's only 5 o'clock. It's supposed to go through all day, all night. Yeah, I don't know. It's just baffling to me how quick this snow has come by. Anyway, so I'm going to go and do some shoveling. Here you go, you can just see how deep it's coming up to here on my leg. So yeah, at least 2 to 3 feet. My tree is just looking insane right now. It actually looks pretty cool looking like that. I don't think the bird houses are working very well anymore though. Anyway, so I'm gonna get back inside because it's starting to get really cold too here, but this is it, guys. This is Canada. This is why I moved here. This is why I love it. Look at that. Look at the state of that. Southern Alberta. Beautiful weather today. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you all, folks, so you can get a little taste of what we're going through here in Canada, in Alberta. And I guess I'll catch you on the rebound next time. And there we go. This is what we're living with. Catch you later, folks. Bye-bye.